Hey everyone, today I'll be talking about the peppers and the chilies that we grew last year in 2024. The bird's eye chili seed we just got from the supermarket, which was a overripe bird's eye chili, and we cut it open, took out the seeds, and put it in a pot, and kept it under the grow light. Starting seeds indoors is generally a better idea because if you plant outside, you don't know which seeds will sprout, and it will grow much faster outside if you've already started it indoors. Peppers and chilies love and can take a lot of sun, so I planted these in a very sunny spot. In Texas, in the summer, it gets to 110 degrees, so during that period, the chilies stop flowering a little bit, but through the rest of the year, it grows very nicely. You can see here that especially the jalapeno and the bird's eye chilies produced very abundantly. We also had a budgie chili that we ordered from online, which is basically a banana pepper. This all grew very nicely in the heat, and there were so many that we left some on the tree to dry because we couldn't harvest so much at one time. After planted in the ground, the bird's eye and other peppers grow very nicely. They don't need much requirement and care, and will flourish in the hot sun. Around summertime into fall and to August and September, the peppers started getting smaller because of the intense heat in the sun. They also started getting some sort of disease like sun scald, which happens when the sun hits it too hard and the pepper side skin starts to get burnt. But other than the bell peppers, the jalapenos and the bird's eye chilies were still producing very nicely. The best thing about peppers is that they grow all year round without stopping. They grow in various different colors if you let them on the tree longer and can be used in many different dishes, and each pepper has a different taste. I will definitely be growing all these peppers again this year. I've already started some seeds indoors and will definitely be posting updates as the year goes on. Here is the link if you want to know how I start my seeds indoors. See you in the next video.